In the digital landscape, the key to a thriving online presence lies in consistency and efficiency. The abundance of content can uniquely position you to harness the vast opportunities available across platforms. With Opus Clip, you harness the power of technology to eliminate tedious editing tasks, freeing you to focus on growing your brand. Imagine turning intricate ideas into bite-sized pieces that capture attention while driving engagement. By leveraging these clips, not only do you enhance visibility, but you also cultivate trust with your audience. Engaging content can transform casual viewers into loyal customers, propelling your venture towards that desired $500 a day threshold. But remember, it's not just about quantity, the quality of your shorts remains paramount. Each clip should resonate with your audience, offering value that compels them to take action. As you integrate Opus Clip into your strategy, monitor which clips perform the best. Analyzing their engagement rates will provide insights into what your viewers truly want. This feedback loop allows for continual improvement, ensuring that as you create more content, it aligns closely with your audience's desires. Now that you've set the foundation, let's dive deeper into maximizing your content's effectiveness. Firstly, creating compelling captions can make a significant difference in viewer retention. Think of something catchy or intriguing that highlights the essence of the clip. For example, questions that spark curiosity or bold statements that challenge common beliefs work wonders. Engaging directly with your audience through these captions encourages them to interact, boosting the algorithm's favor toward your clips. Next, incorporate compelling calls to action, prompting viewers to visit your store or engage further with your content. This dual approach not only enhances viewer experience but also drives traffic and conversions, aligning perfectly with your overarching business goals. With this comprehensive strategy, you take control of your content creation to push your brand forward efficiently. Each step is designed not just for growth but for sustainability within your niche. Remember that success is not merely measured in numbers, it's cultivated through real connections and trust with your audience. As you embrace these innovative tools and strategies, envision a future where your business thrives not just daily, but continuously, reaching heights that align with your dreams and aspirations for your brand. Now, let's explore the financial aspects of implementing Opus Clip in your business strategy. Begin by setting up clear revenue goals based on your anticipated engagement from the shorts you create. Understand that each clip should serve a purpose, whether to drive traffic, boost sales, or increase your audience. It's crucial to integrate metrics like conversion rates and click-through statistics into your analysis. By tracking these numbers, you can fine-tune your content strategy. Additionally, utilize the feedback gathered to pivot your approach and capitalize on what resonates most with your viewers. In this way, you ensure that each piece of content not only entertains but also serves as an integral step toward achieving your financial aspirations. Next, let's focus on the importance of consistency in your posting schedule. Committing to a regular cadence of uploads not only keeps your audience engaged but also signals to the algorithm that your content is credible and worth promoting. Aim for daily shorts to maximize reach, and leverage analytics to discover peak engagement times for your audience. Align your uploads with those moments to amplify view counts. Plus, consider batch processing your content, produce several shorts at once to maintain that daily rhythm without burning out. This strategy ensures you're always ahead, delivering fresh content while allowing ample time to interact and build relationships with each viewer. As you implement these strategies, embrace the potential of forging partnerships within your niche. Collaborations can tap into new audiences and expand your reach exponentially. By working with influencers, brands, or creators that align with your vision, you create a symbiotic relationship that benefits all parties involved. Leverage the short clips you've developed as promotional tools in these partnerships. This not only diversifies your content but also positions you as a significant player in the industry, enhancing credibility and boosting organic growth. By utilizing a robust approach and the right tools, you unlock the path to sustainable success. As you master the art of content creation, remember that your efforts will bear fruit, culminating in a thriving brand that resonates and connects with your audience. Here's to your remarkable journey with Kai Academy.